So here is the app called Animekai. Let's take a look. Going quite viral. So here it is. Watch anime. So one of the best apps right now to watch anime, your anime companion, trending series, track favorites, compare anime by side. Trending anime, top rated series, see what's airing now, discover the season's hits, episodes counts and status, ratings and scores, beautiful artwork, compare name, powerful source, beautiful design. And then here is just how you can just take a look at it. Watch, you can choose episodes, and then unfortunately there are a lot of ads in here. So, and that's kind of the idea. Pretty cool, trending now. Then you can compare different animes with each other. Then you see favorites, and seems that this is kind of like a free app. I don't know. This is obviously just kind of like ad-based app. No account, no nothing. I don't know how legit is it. It's really good. You don't have to pay anything in there. It's all free and you don't need an account, but something. So sometimes there are some errors. So yeah, seems there are mixed reviews, to be honest. It's either not loading or there are a lot of ads. And it's this app seems it got a lot of promotion on TikTok. But yeah, there it is.